Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair using a hair straightener. So I'm just going to turn it on right now. For preparation of my hair, I just shampoo and condition it with this duo. So it's the Tresemme Luxurious Moisture shampoo and the Salon Silk conditioner. I use these two to wash my hair, and then before I apply heat to my hair I use this Elvive Extraordinary Oil. It has up to 230 degrees Celsius heat protection, which is great. And then when I'm washing my hair I like to leave the conditioner on for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then when my hair is wet immediately after I come out of the shower I'll just towel dry it for a bit, and then I will put this oil on, maybe like 2 pumps of it, and just rake it through the ends. I don't really put it near the roots because then my hair gets really greasy. I then brush it all through. I have this Mason Pearson brush. It's the universal one, which is kind of expensive. It's one of the best hair brushes I've ever had. It just makes your hair go so silky. So I use that, but I don't like to use it on wet hair because I don't want to damage it. So I just use a paddle brush. The next thing I do is blow dry my hair with this hairdryer. It's the Wool Power Pick 2 hairdryer, and I use the concentrator nozzle so that the air is more like concentrated on the area of hair. And I do that root to tip as well so the hair isn't as frizzy. And I'll just use my paddle brush as well to make sure it dries all sleek. And then once my hair is relatively dry, I'll wait for about 20 minutes just to make sure that all of my hair is dry, because the last thing I want to do is straighten wet hair. And then I'll just brush through with this. And then what I do is I straighten it. So my hair's actually already kind of straightened. But the main thing that I do is I just section it off like this. So I'll like tie it up in sections like that, and then I'll just straighten this bit. I mean, it's already straight, but I'm just showing you what I do. So I just straighten this, and then I'd brush it through and release a bit more hair, and then I just keep doing that till all the hair's done. And then once everything is done, I just give it a brush through. There are a few types of curls that I want to show you today. There is the like really loose curls. When I've finished, what I usually do after I've finished straightening my hair is I just separate my hair into two like this. This side I've kind of did curls already, but not really anything. And then I just grab like a whole half of my hair and I literally just rotate it and sort of flick it over, and I just keep doing it and keep doing it until I get to the end, and then just twirl it for a bit and let go, and that gives it a really natural bounce. So if you want to make your straightened hair look a bit more natural, you can just do that to both sides and it makes it look really nice. And then if you want more concentrated curls, you can take smaller chunks. So the way I do it is, it's like exactly the same. So I just do it really slowly, just turning it and then sort of flicking it and trying to get as far down as I can. Sometimes it will slip out and then I just grab it and do it again from the top, and that can happen if you have like really long hair. So I just keep going. Okay, and then once you get to the end, just twirl it around, get it as tight as you can. Hold it for like 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5 and then let it go. And then when you take it out of the it will just be like a really nice ringlet like that, and that can be really nice. I like just having little ringlets like that, and when you brush it through with your fingers it can make it look more natural as well. But that's like quite tight, so what I usually do is I get chunks about that big and just keep flicking it around. And also I find that if you do small, like a variety of different sizes, and as you can see I've just incorporated the one I just did into this, and yeah, it just makes it, the texture of it, look much nicer because you've got a little one in with loads of normal hairs and things like that. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, just keep doing that. Just makes it look really, really nice. I love it so much. And sometimes on the ends, you can just do a curl on the end. You just take it about halfway and spin it round. I just spin it round like I did the others, but I just didn't go up to here on the hair. And as you can see, that one looks more natural, but it also looks really bouncy and flowy. Now on the other side, I'm just gonna repeat. Okay, so that is most of my hair curled, but there's usually bits underneath that I've missed, so I always have to fish around a bit for those. Just try and find the underneaths like this and then just pull them forward, and then I'll just curl those separately. So that's what I'm going to do now. I don't know if you can see, but the fact that I did the whole half of my head before has already given this a very natural bounce, that when I curl it, it will make it look even better. There we go. The main thing I do is just spin it round and then flick like that, flick, flick. And sometimes I do take front pieces on my hair like this. This is the finished look. It looks very, very nice and love it a lot. And it's just got, like, this is a whole chunk of just curl, so you can make it as unique as you want it to be. You could separate this even more, and you could just go through and separate it. It could be as tight or as loose as you want it to be. Another way I do it sometimes, and I'm just going to demonstrate with like this chunk. It's kind of already curled, but it's fine. So I basically put the straightener behind the piece of hair I want to curl like this, and then being very, very careful, I wrap it like that inside it, and then I just pull it down. Kind of hurts, and then immediately curl it in my fingers, and that comes out really sort of ringlet at the end, which can be really nice. I think the tighter you do it, the better the outcome. So yeah, just put it behind and front, and then really tightly pull it down. Yeah, and it's really bouncy like that. So that's another way I do it.
You have Millie, Susan. You need to take your dog for a walk.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, and then sometimes I'll finish it off with hairspray, but most of the time I don't. I just let it be free, and if it wants to flatten out, then it wants to flatten out. And sometimes I like it when it flattens out because it looks really nice. So say hello to everyone. She's only 8 weeks old. I love doing this hairstyle. It literally takes me 5 minutes. and I have quite thick hair, so that's quite good. If anyone has like thinner hair, it'll probably take even less time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you found it helpful in any way. See you in the next video. Bye!